Hello guys, and good afternoon, night, or morning, or whatever, or whenever you are. And today, do you know what we are gonna do today? We're gonna make a space war. And that space war, I'm gonna teach you how to do this. Can you see they have enemies? But they cannot hit. But at hitting, the monster has nothing to make. Have nothing is maybe at part 2. And these monsters, when it hit us, nothing happens. We didn't put anything. Okay. Now I'm gonna shoot. Oh, that's a great spot. Oh great, that's my superpower of the game. So we maybe go back to our place, then we'll create. When create, you can see it's creating blocks and it's making our project. All we need to do is add our sprite. We don't need it. We just kind of delete it. I'm kind of lip smiling. We're not going to choose a sprite, we'll paint a sprite. Zoom in a lot of times. Zoom in maybe this much. If it's convert to bitmap, then you convert to bitmap. If it's vector, then you're already in bitmap. You can see our brush is kind of in pixel art styles. That's right. This is what pixel art is. Pixel art is a blocky thing which make art which is blocky, but when you look at your game, it may be pretty cool. I'm gonna make this shooter. It's kind of a little glocky or something. I guess maybe kind of do it later. I'm kind of need to put some of these mistakes. I love to make them more. Maybe put them this much. Now I'll put it like a kind of a ship. And now I'm gonna make it like this. It could be great. Then I will fill it as blue. Now we got our great ship, but it's kind of very so small to me. Maybe make it this much. Make sure it add the middle. Maybe put it here. Okay, if not in the middle, change the X to 0. But why you let like that? And you can see it go this way now. You can see it's look very great. Very great. And when we got our thing, we start coding. Always events to win Clickford. And motions go to, I told you that is super important. If you didn't use it, your sprite will go definitely so crazy. So make sure you have it. If you don't have it, that means you're in a backdrop. You kind of make a backdrop as a sprite. But no worries, we'll make sprite one. You can see our sprite is like this. Look what it looks. Then we'll pick up show. And at show, we make our one click state done, the first code done, when you put when right arrow, right click to duplicate and change it to the left arrow. Set X to 10 at the right arrow and change X to -10 at the left arrow. Do you guys know about about these? About the entire thing. Do you know in Scratch, X, when it go to here, that is 240, and this one is -240, and this one is 240, is positive, and this is why it's kind of 240, I guess so, 240, and add down to -240, I guess. So if you want to know, then you choose the backdrop as XY grid. And Y is actually 180, and it's -180. Now we know that the backdrops is not 240 or anywhere at here is 180. It's not 240 like the X over here. Maybe you better hide it, you know. Just kidding. We don't need that thing. We use only this one backdrop, a sprite, like what we wanted. It can go anywhere, so stately. So smoothly. Oh, you think it's not smooth enough, right? Ha ha ha. Now we'll make another sprite. Convert to bitmap. Make sure you zoom in just this much. Change the color to red. Make sure you're in the brush. Not in the brush, the rectangle. You draw this much, could be great. Put it always in the middle. And another one as outlined. Maybe put it here, then I will. Here it is. I am kind of thinking maybe you select this, change it a little smaller. Convert to vector. Okay, this thing is great. Okay, and we'll kind of choose the same red. Now we will make the line as this. Back to normal, convert to vector. And you can see we got our blaster. Maybe change sprite 1 to player. Maybe you don't know that it's the player. And I'll change this sprite to blaster. Now it looks like a blaster. Make sure you put it at the guns. Like here. A blaster. Go to events. Yep. When click. Go to looks. It's not show action. It's hide. And when click, it's hide. Now go back to players. Go to events. In the when space key pressed, It's not gonna be about up and down and more. It's spaceful, remember? And motion, you don't need to do anything, but maybe you kind of need to go to the control, and you create a clone of Blaster. Go back to Blaster. When I start as clone, then when I start as clone, then you need to go to motions, go to not random position, go to player. Can you see it, the player? Well, then you show first. Get the show here. The show, you can see that when I click it, it's show. And then we point in direction as 0. I'm gonna try. You can see it's that way. That's mean. I will choose this thing. Oh yeah, that's the problem. I could erase this one. Convert to bitmap, eraser. Now we erased that little pixel. Now I'm gonna click this one, spin it to here, and now you can see that it's now here. Maybe move it a little for 20 steps. 20 steps. When you spacebar, you can see it's now fitting all the things. But maybe about 30 steps. Let's try. Okay, it looks like it's now go to the laser thing. Okay, great. And all we need to do is we will go to sounds, delete the pop thing. You choose as pew. That sounds like a laser blaster. Replace start sound pew. Yep. Then we will repeat until. Repeat until touching edge. Then you repeat, move 10 steps. If it hitting edge, it will delete its clone. Delete this clone. Let's try it now, guys. You can see it also can shoot like super lasers. So great. You can even do this. Okay. You can see kind of shoot a lot. We'll start making the enemies. Paint a sprite. Convert to bitmap. Zoom in a lot of times. This much. Only 1 pixel. Maybe zoom out a little. I'm gonna make it super scary. I'm gonna put this much, put a little brightness, acceleration, and brightness. Great. Isn't that scary? If it's scary, tell me in the comments. If it's scary, I think you have a baby. Maybe the baby must be scared. But I hope the baby not scared because it's just a kid, no worry. Okay, we got them out. Make a little happy face. And I'm gonna fill the thing. Great. I'm gonna make it a little bluey. It's look like great. Convert to vector. Now choose the entire thing. Make it. Then you do this. Oh no. I mean, you click it, make it bigger. Could be too big first. Change this small. Now we got our weird monster. Could be put it here. We start coding at the monsters. Go to events, when click hiding like the blaster. But don't do like the blaster. Just follow me. I know all the things. Now when you click hide, go to backdrops. Now I'm gonna make the backdrop like this. Look at the code. Okay. Well, when you click, go to controls. When you click, then go to controls. Forever Frit. In Forever Frit, you create a clone of. Oh no, better change it to monster. Let me change it to monster. Now, at the backdrops, create a clone of monster. Yep, we can stop it. And you can see the add monsters. We have only just that. What about you code it a little? But what's code? When I start as clone, get point in direction. I mean, maybe show it a little. You can see it's kind of here. Go to. Maybe here don't need it first. So at here, point in direction. 180. If I show it, you can see that when it goes there. That's mean at the costume. Go this way. Oh man. Go this way. I hope it would work. That means it's not go this way because we go that way. In master, point in 180. Now it's great. Make sure you put a show. Looks. Show. Let me stop the game first. I can still shoot it out. Show, then we will repeat until, put it there. Repeat until touching edge, or it's not, we don't need to put or yet. Maybe put an or fruit. It's false. If you put it here, oh, not that. Maybe attach them out first. Put it here. Then you can see it's still false because this don't have the other one. The other one duplicate touch edge to touch blaster. And you can see that we will move one steps to example for you how, oh, too much. That's a kind of a once. And move 10 steps, we don't need to use it, only one step could be great. I think it's kind of too great. We'll figure it out what's the problem. And monster is cloning too much. Create a clone of monster, that's it, forever. You need to let it do this. That's why you couldn't put it forever yet. My mistake, my bad mistake, bye. You can see, go just that, put it back. Now smooth, definitely great. And then you put an if on it. If touching blaster, then repeat 10 times of looks. But what this means is change color effects by 25. And at sound, don't need to pop. We choose a new one as crunch. For the sounds, then start sound crunch here. You can see, and also delete this clone. At delete, its clone is here. The last one of controls. Put it here. All we need to do is at the blaster is just that. Also put an all for it. Touching edge, first one. Duplicate for it to touching monster 2. Try it again. You can see it change, right? And so great. And now, you know what we're gonna do? At the stage, put it forever for it. But you can see it's kind of go that much. And you can see it be like that, the same. Put a wait 1 second for it. Try it again. But you can see it's go at the same way every time. That's why as monster, you need to do something with the operators. Pick random as negative to not 30, 240. Okay, and another one as 240. And you can see if you try again. Can you see it's so great? That's the superpower. Can you see, guys? Isn't it great? And this is just a part 1. Wait for part 2, we'll make a wrapped up. And now we'll make a wrapped up first. Maybe. Maybe change that color too. Right. Fit for me. Put things here. Touch it. Then you slide the color toward with purple. Now that's look great. Can you see, guys? Today you learn a lot. Do you know what you learn? You learn repeat until. Repeat until is like repeat until do something, then do what? Like that. And you learn how to make the blaster go off of the player. And thank you for watching this video. And thank you for watching this video again. And if you want to subscribe me, you can see my other video. I will name this one as Space War. Oh, maybe give it a little capital and give the war a little capital. Space War. That's great. And now, bye.